It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking it out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are all the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So before I do that, I must say congratulations to those of you who are having this trading tool or who are on the Telegram platform, because I put out some trading signals on the Telegram platform, and of course it went positively. So it was an amazing result. I'm really happy for all the screenshot that was shared with me. Okay, those that sent their screenshots to me, I'm really happy to hear to get the feedback from you all. Okay, so if you are not on the Telegram platform, you need to join the Telegram platform right now. And if you are not having this trading tool or any of my trading tool, then you should ask for them right now, so that you too can also get the signal. Okay, you can generate the signal on your own. Okay, so quickly let's check out what we are having, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for long, got to this particular support zone, played around there for a while, but it broke out below this around there and got to a new support zone, and it also broke out below it around there, and it has been selling since then. So this is still selling. It might not be for a very long time, but it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. It went on uptrend right from this support zone. It picked up from here. You can see the uptrend signal, the buy signals, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. So if it goes below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, so we should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, next asset should be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It went on uptrend right from here, and of course got to this region. It's a resistance zone, but broke out above it, and it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above that, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So for now, this is still buying. Okay, until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course we will be checking this out right now. Okay, this had been on downtrend for long, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend. Okay, it is around this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This actually went on downtrend, but got to this region, was unable to go out below that, so it started an uptrend right from there, but it was finding it difficult to break out from this resistance zone. So this is leading to a major pullback, and of course if it's done with the pullback, then it will try out this resistance zone again and see if it will be able to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will buy more. Okay, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, and of course practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.